EMS mixed questions. The mother with hypothyroidism is high risk for A. Preterm labor, B. Hemorrhage, C. Congenital anomalies, D. Eclampsia. The answer is A. Preterm labor. A mother with hyperthyroidism is high risk for A. Preterm labor, B. Preeclampsia, C. Hemorrhage, D. Congenital anomalies. The answer is B. Preeclampsia. Post right side mastectomy. Where to take blood pressure? A. Right brachial, B. Left brachial, C. Right radial, D. Left radial. The answer is B. Left brachial. 1 week short-term goal for a total hip replacement patient. A. Sits up by himself 3 times a day. B. State pain control. The answer is B. State pain control. What do you do if you encounter broken infusion machine? A. Put a sticker and report. B. Put in the broken machine's area. The answer is A. Put a sticker and report. ABG results for an underweight girl 2 times. A1 is ABG disorder metabolic alkalosis. B. Uncompensated metabolic alkalosis. C. Compensated metabolic alkalosis. The answer is C. Compensated metabolic acidosis. How to know if the left shoulder is dislocated? A. Left arm longer than right arm. B. Patient cannot move the left shoulder. C. Swelling in the left shoulder. The answer is A. Left arm longer than right arm. A patient is admitted to the ER after sustaining abdominal injuries and a broken femur from a motor vehicular accident. He is pale, diaphoretic, and is not talking coherently. Vital signs upon admission are temperature 98 degrees Fahrenheit or 36.3 degrees Celsius, pulse of 130 beats per minute, respiratory of 34 beats per minute, blood pressure of 50/40 mmHg. The healthcare provider suspects which type of shock? A. Distributive, B. Neurogenic, C. Cardiogenic, D. Hypovolemic. The answer is D. Hypovolemic. Which of the following are a range assessment for post-operative patient? A. Cardiovascular, respiration, surgery site, neurological signs. B. Respiration, cardiovascular, neurological signs, and surgery site. C. Neurological signs, cardiovascular, respiration, surgery site. D. Surgery site, respiration, cardiovascular, neurological signs. The answer is B. Respiration, cardiovascular, neurological signs, and surgery site. A woman at 24 weeks of gestational age has fever, body aches, and has coughing last 5 days. She is sent to the hospital with admission precautions for H1N1 influenza. Which prescription has the highest priority? A. Assign a private room. B. Vital signs every 4 hours. C. Obtain specimens for culture. D. Ringer lactate IV. The answer is A. Assign the patient private room. What is most appropriate blood test for patient who is going to surgery? A. WBC, B. Albumin, C. Prothrombin, D. Hemoglobin. The answer is C. Prothrombin. The physician ordered 3 times the normal dose. When the nurse calls him, he insists on giving the ordered medication. What does the nurse do? A. Call the pharmacy. B. Call another doctor. C. call nurse supervisor. The answer is C, call nurse supervisor. Doctor's order exists the recommended dose. What to do? A. Call the doctor to clarify. B. Administer the dose. C. Hold the dose. D. Talk with supervisor. The answer is A. Call the doctors to clarify. The major depression activities. A. Watch a movie with other patients. B. Plan today's activities with the patient. The answer is B. Plan today's activity with the patient. Gum and tooth pain. What is the cranial nerve? A. Third nerve. B. Fifth nerve. C. Seventh nerve. D. Ninth nerve. The answer is B. Fifth nerve, trigeminal nerve. The patient is 6 cm dilated. What is the stage of labor? A. First stage. B. Second stage. C. Third stage. D. Fourth stage. The answer is A. First stage. The nurse was caring for patient wound staples after operation. While she was preparing the patient's knees and one staple fell down to the floor, what should the nurse do? A. Bring the staple from floor. B. Bring it and put back on the wound. C. Apply dressing to the wound. The answer is C. Apply dressing to the wound. Recurrent urinary tract infection. What advice you can give? A. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water. B. Wipe from back to front. C. Urinate only when you have the urge. The answer is A. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water. What is the complication that needs observation after the birth of the child for diabetic mother? A. Preterm labor. B. Term labor. C. Macrosomia. D. Hyperglycemia. The answer is C. Macrosomia. After cardiac catheterization, the nurse should do first: A. Assess blood pressure. B. Assess apical pulse or distal site. C. Elevated the head of the bed. The answer is B. Assess apical pulse on the distal site. Post-operative patient to be discharged and his temperature is 37.6 at 10 a.m. Everything else is normal. What to do? A. Inform the physician to delay discharge. B. Gives aspirin dose earlier than scheduled. C. Temperature is normal because of the time. D. Suspected infection. The answer is C. Temperature is normal because of the time. A pregnant woman said to the nurse, I feel I depends on my husband's and my family. A. Self-concern. B. Ambivalence. C. Normal. D. Esteem. The answer is A. Self-concern. What is the incidence rate definition? The incidence rate means A. All new cases of specific disease during given time. B. All old cases of specific disease during given time. C. All new and old cases of specific disease during given time. The answer is A. All new cases of specific disease during given time. What is the definition of prevalence rate? Prevalence rates is A. All new cases of specific disease during given time. B. All old cases of specific disease during given time. C. All new and old cases of specific disease during given time. The answer is C. All new and old cases of specific disease during given time. A woman went to gynecological clinic for routine examination. Then she was diagnosed for positive chlamydia. What is this considered? A. Clinical. B. Subclinical. C. Suspected. The answer is B. Subclinical. What is newborn examination after delivery? A. Vital signs, inspection, auscultation, percussion, palpation. B. Inspection, auscultation, percussion, palpation, vital signs. The answer is A. Vital signs, inspection, auscultation, percussion, and palpation. The doctor ordered 0.2 grams. The available is 400 milligram in quantity of 10 ml. How many ml needed? A. 2.5 ml. B. 5 ml. C. 2 ml. D. 4 ml. The answer is B. 5 ml. A 28-year-old man admitted to orthopedic ward complaining of throbbing pain in casted leg. Which of the following nursing interventions should be taken first? A. Remove the cast. B. Notify the doctor. C. Assess pedal pulse. D. Administer PRN medication. The answer is C. Assess pedal pulse. The doctor writes new order restraint PRN for a psychiatric patient that he is overly aggressive. Which of the following indicate that the nurse should do? A. Call the doctor while patient aggressive to do that by himself. B. Apply the order one time only or if needed. C. Close patient room and do not apply restraint. D. Express that is not acceptable and complains about your supervisor. The answer is B. Apply the order one time only or if needed. It's PRN. So apply the order on one time only if needed. The oral contraceptives increases risk for any cancer for long-term using. A. Cervical cancer. B. Ovarian cancer. C. Skin cancer. D. Breast cancer. The answer is D. Breast cancer. A Yemeni soldier caught in the war and he got many injuries. The patient is anxious and he is speaking about death for the nurse. What is the most appropriate action for the nurse? A. You say no or yes. B. Why do you say you are dying? C. Why you say you will die? D. Restating for patient wards. The answer is D. Restating for patient wards. There is one patient stated that his father is dead. When he turned his sadness and anger by learning martial arts, what is the defense mechanism that he used? A. Displacement. B. Sublimation. C. Projection. D. Denial. The answer is B. Sublimation. In teaching a female client who is HIV positive about pregnancy, the nurse would know more teaching is necessary when the client says, "The baby can get the virus from my placenta." B. I am planning on starting on birth control pills. C. Not everyone who has the virus gives birth to a baby who has the virus. D. I'll need to have a C-section if I become pregnant and have a baby. The answer is D. I'll need to have C-section if I become pregnant and have a baby. The neonate is delivered by cesarean section. The baby should be transported to NICU. Which type of baby incubator should be used? A. Closed box incubator. B. Portable incubators. C. Double-walled incubators. D. Servo control incubators. The answer is B. Portable incubators. Therapeutic communication is used by the nurse to create a beneficial outcome in the delivery of quality of nursing care. Which of the following statement best describes the term therapeutic communication? A. Interactive process of socialization. B. Assessment component of nursing process. C. Communication with patients through words and language. D. Process to encourage the expression of feelings and needs. The answer is D. Process to encourage the expression of feelings and needs. Talking with the parents of a child with Down syndrome. Which of the following would be appropriate for the care for the child? A. Encourage self-care skills in the child. B. Teaching the child something new each day. C. Encourage more lenient behavior limits for the child. D. Achieving age-appropriate social skills. The answer is D. Achieving age-appropriate social skills. A 28-year-old married woman is admitted in the gynecology ward for the observation after her miscarriage. She has not been able to sustain any pregnancy since she got married for the past 3 years, and she had 3 miscarriages during this time. What intervention is the most appropriate? A. Family history. B. Past medical history. C. Physical examination. D. Laboratory investigations. The answer is B. Past medical history. It is a managerial function that indicates leading the staff in the most effective method. A. Planning. B. Directing. C. Organizing. D. Controlling. The answer is B. Directing. Which of the following best describes the role of a case management? A. Promotes healthy lifestyle. B. Provides coordination of care to ensure continuity. C. Possess highly skilled communication methods. D. Promotes the comfort of the patient. The answer is B. Provides coordination of care to ensure continuity. A 30-year-old female patient went to the clinic for a consultation after her work due to the pain on both legs during prolonged standing and sitting. Doppler ultrasound was confirmed the initial diagnosis of varicose veins. The patients asked what is the possible surgical procedure in relation to her case. A. Amputation. B. Sclerotherapy. C. Thermal ablation. D. Ligation and stripping. The answer is D. Ligation and stripping. Leaving the tourniquet for a long time cause A. Low blood flow. B. Limb embolism. C. Hemoconcentration. The answer is C. Hemoconcentration. Which drug would be used to treat a patient who has increased intracranial pressure or ICP resulting from head trauma after an accident? A. Mannitol. B. Atropine sulfate. C. Epinephrine hydrochloride. D. Sodium bicarbonate. The answer is A. Mannitol. Leaving the tourniquet for a long time can cause A. Embolism. B. Low blood flow. C. Ischemia. The answer is B. Low blood flow. When the nurse on duty accidentally bumps the bassinet, the neonate throws out its hands open, and begins to cry. The nurse interprets this reaction as indicative of which of the following reflexes: A. Startle reflex, B. Babinski reflex, C. Grasping reflex, D. Tonic neck reflex. The answer is A. Startle reflex. A woman came to ER with her husband, and the husband demonstrated she could not talk or voluntarily eat since the son died in accident. What the woman needs according to Maslow hierarchy of needs: A. Loving and belonging, B. Physiological needs, C. Spiritual support, D. Family support. The answer is A. Loving and belongingness. Jisan province is poised to achieve malaria elimination. There is a need to change from a policy of passive case detection to reactively and proactively detecting the infectious reservoirs that requires new approaches to surveillance. For discovering health problems and disease inside the community, what is the priority of surveillance? A. Social surveillance, B. Financial surveillance and previous health disease, C. Incidence and prevalence of the health disease. The answer is C. Incidence and prevalence of the health disease. Why do we use log rolling technique? A. Facilitate good circulation. B. Avoid movement. C. To protect the spinal cord from moving. The answer is C. To protect the spinal cord from moving. A 38-year-old patient is about to have lumbar disc surgery. During preoperative care, the nurse instructs the patient, including the family members, on how to do log rolling to change patient's position. One of the family members asked why they must do such action in turning the patient. Postoperatively, which of the following is the nurse's best response? A. Facilitate good circulation. B. Avoid movement. C. Prevent postoperative bed sores. D. Make changing of patient's position easier. The answer is C. Prevent postoperative bed sores. The nurse is caring for 6 patients, providing for them all care and activities. What is the type of nurse according to the nursing care delivery system? A. Primary, B. Case management, C. Functional. The answer is A. Primary. The patient is receiving hemodialysis. The patient is experiencing disequilibrium syndrome. What is the cause of the syndrome? A. Increased urea and sodium. B. Decreased urea and sodium. The answer is B. Decreased urea and sodium. The pregnant woman is experiencing muscle spasm in her leg. She has less calcium intake. What should the nurse instruct her during spasm? A. Knee flexion. B. Knee extension. The answer is B. Knee extension. Classical sign of adrenal insufficiency. A. Hypernatremia. B. Hypotension. C. Hyperpigmentation. The answer is C. Hyperpigmentation. What is the position after appendectomy? A. High Fowler's. B. Semi-Fowler's. C. Sitting. D. Dorsal recumbent. The answer is B. Semi-Fowler. How the nurse ensure that the mother is breastfeeding well? A. It is normal, that's suppose you know. B. Referral to breastfeeding educator for 1 day. C. Check mother while she is breastfeeding and progression. The answer is C. Check mother while she is breastfeeding and progression. What is the type of transport that carries oxygen and carbon dioxide from and to placenta during pregnancy? A. Simple diffusion. B. Active transport, C. Simple transport. The answer is A. Simple diffusion. The patient has difficulty in walking and lethargic. There is a decrease in capillary refill and urine incontinence. Patient is high risk for A. Aspiration, B. Infection, C. Skin breakdown, D. Body disturbance. The answer is C. Skin breakdown. The child with thalassemia is pale and activity intolerance. What is the most priority? A. RBC transfusion, B. Oxygen administration. The answer is B. Oxygen administration. The nurse is giving instruction for a pregnant woman. Which of the following should be avoided during pregnancy? A. Eat raw and cooked meat. B. Clean well fruit and vegetables. C. Cook fish and chicken. The answer is eat raw and cooked milk. So the pregnant mother should avoid during pregnancy to eat raw and uncooked meat. The child has urine incontinence 2 days ago with WBC in urine. A. Psychological abuse. B. Urinary tract infection. C. Genitalia defect. The answer is B. Urinary tract infection. The patient has difficulty the patient has difficulty taking liquid medication from a cup. How should the nurse administer the medication? A. Request that the physician change the order to the IV route. B. Administer the medication by IM route. C. Use a needleless syringe to place the medication in the side of the mouth. D. Add the dose to a small amount of food or beverage to facilitate the swallowing. The answer is C. Use a needleless syringe to place the medication in the side of the mouth. The patient is diagnosed with appendicitis. Which statement by the patient indicates absolute rupture of appendicitis? A. I feel like I want to vomit. B. Pain in the epigastric. C. Painless in right quadrant, no hurts suddenly. The answer is C. Painless in right quadrant, no hurt suddenly. The nursing supervisor newly elected wants to use disciplinary evaluation to nurses' behavior. What type of power she is using? A. Reward. B. Coercive. C. Legitimate. D. Formal. The answer is B. Coercive. Based upon the legal guidelines for documentation, which of the following corrective action is correct? A. Never erase entries, do line underward and write correct. B. Erases the incorrect notes, then writes the correct. The answer is A. Never erase entries, do line under words and write the correct one. The nurse is caring for child regarding his activity. Which of the following is considered fine motor activity? A. Riding a vehicle. B. Walking. C. Holding a cup. The answer is C. Holding a cup. When does the zygote enter to the uterus after fertilization? A. Second day. B. Fourth day. C. Sixth day. D. Eighth day. The answer is B. Fourth day. The zygotes enter the uterus on the third to fifth day and implanted from 7 to 10 days after fertilization.